Hello friend, welcome to my new another video. So how all you are? I hope you all are doing great, fantastic, learning this language, growing, becoming better day by day. So my friend, without wasting time, let's start the video and talk on the point. My friend, if you are beginner and think you can't become fluent speaker, it doesn't seem to be possible for you. Why? Because you don't have English environment, you don't have any friend who can practice with you, you don't have anyone who can guide you, support you, direct you, and moreover you are not intelligent enough, you haven't studied from English medium school, and these are the reason you feel you underestimate yourself, you can't become fluent speaker. So my friend, you are sowing wrong seed in your mind. See, our mind is like garden, our thoughts like seed. And the seed you sow, same kind of result you will get. So here you are sowing seed of negative, that of underestimating yourself. I can't become fluent speaker. So in this way you are closing the door, you are closing your mind, you are closing your mind not to give you idea, not to give you any opportunity to learn it, to make it possible. Then how you can? So be careful and choose your thought, and do thinking right way, positive way. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be possible for you to become fluent speaker, but if you search way, you will find. It is said that in Hindi कि जब सारे दरवाजे बंद हो जाते हैं तो कहीं ना कहीं एक दरवाज़ा खुला रहता है. So if you also think like that, because of this reason, environment, friend, guide you don't have, so you can't. So my friend, you are totally wrong, completely wrong. Why? Because you must have phone in your hand, and this is the door, by which you can make it possible, and we are here as a proof. We are doing it. How? We don't have also environment, we haven't studied from English medium, and also I'm not intelligent, but by using my phone, by using our phone, we are making it possible. So in your case also you can do, but when you don't underestimate yourself, when you know seek way how you can. And how you can seek the way? When you will tell to your mind, I will become fluent speaker. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be possible for me to sing the environment and all things around me, but I will. I don't know how, but I will. If you tell like this, if you feed your subconscious mind in this way, then my friend, it is going to work in favor of you. And your mind will guide you, your mind will support you, your mind will give you idea, your mind will direct you what you should do for it, how you can make it possible. But when you will tell to your mind, you can, you will. If I talk about me, so yes, when I started my journey, I was alone here. I didn't have guidance. I am not intelligent enough. I don't have surrounding environment. Same issue I also had. But I didn't tell. Yeah, feeling I had. I can't say directly that I was thinking, no, I can do. I had also fear whether I will be able to learn or not. I will be able to speak English or not. I had. But while having such fear, I used to keep searching. And who helped me? My mind, my Lord. ही हेल्प मी. बिकॉज जब हम कुछ ढूंढते हैं तो हमारे जो नेचर होता है, हमारे जो भगवान होते हैं और हमारा माइंड होता है, वो भी हमें जो है हेल्प करता है. जब हम अपनी हेल्प करने के लिए रेडी होते हैं, तब जब हम खुद को हेल्प नहीं करना चाहते, हाउ दे कैन हेल्प अस. When we help us, then we get help from our Lord, from nature, from the mind, from etc etc equipment. So similarly, first of all, you have to help yourself. And how you can? Not by underestimating yourself, by praising yourself, by motivating yourself that you can, you deserve, you can, you are capable. Then, so my friend, instead of telling I can't become fluent speaker, start telling I can become fluent speaker. Yeah, this time I don't know how, but very soon I am going to gather all the information how I can make it possible. Then only and only you are going to get the solution, ideas, and everything will work in favor of you and help you how you can. So this is the right thinking, positive thinking. And if you do like this, then you are sowing right seed in your mind, and that is going to give you wonderful result. So you don't have anyone, it's okay, but you have phone. And this is the main thing, important thing. You should have phone. If you, then you can make it possible. So my friend, stop telling yourself you can't, and start telling yourself every single day you can, you are capable. And use your phone to direct you, to help you, to provide you idea and information how you can. So in this way you can make it possible, and you can become fluent speaker. So this is what you need to do. So I hope, my friend, you now understood what you need to do, and how you need to do, and how you can get it. So open the opportunity for you. Don't try to close by underestimating, by telling you can't. Okay. And yeah, that's what I wanted to share, because I felt somewhere it is important to make video on these things. It happens with so many learners when I connect with them. So I feel, they have such thought. Initially we are full of fear, doubt, whether I will be or not. Little belief we have. Okay. And but when we keep doing and spend time, so by the experience we get more confidence, more belief in us, I can do, and our fear start removing. So see, in case of me, I was also thinking same, but this time by spending time practicing, learning, I have confidence, and I know I can, I'm doing, I will. So that's what you need to do. Initially you have to stick and keep doing, and think positive, be optimistic, and then you can do. So I hope you like this video. If you, then please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye, we will meet in next video.